I am Madhav Sharma, a grade 12 student at Amity International School, Saket, and I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Director Minakshi Raval Ma'am, my Principal Divya Bhatia Ma'am, my Vice Principal Alka Saxena Ma'am, and my Synchro Coordinator Monica Ma'am for the synchronized learning program that has played an integral role in some of my most important achievements. I joined the program in grade 10 where it helped me clear the prestigious National Talent Search examination, and it was only due to the daily classes, regular doubt clearing sessions, and dedicated faculty that I was able to achieve this feat. Even though in grade 12 I decided to pursue my education abroad and not appear for the JEE examination, I still feel that Synchro played an important role in my academic journey. In fact, it is due to the critical thinking and problem solving skills that I developed as a Synchro student that I was able to score a great score on the SAT examination of 1580 without any external help. I have secured admission to some of the most prestigious universities for computer science, including the University of Michigan, the University of Southern California, and the University of Illinois, and I am waiting for other decisions. And I can only thank one team for this, and that is the Synchro team. Thank you.